In this video, I'm going to show you the process of how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Start by heading over to the Windows and then click on Settings. From here, click on Apps, which should be below the System, and above the search, click on it. Now here you'll see all the apps that you have installed on your PC or laptop. Now select the application that you want to uninstall. Simply click on it and uninstall button will appear. To uninstall it, click on uninstall. As you can see, I've just uninstalled the application of CapCut on my laptop. That's exactly how you can uninstall any application that you have on your PC or laptop.